Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Engineering Everywhere. In this video, we are going to see energy saving BLDC fan. First, we have to understand what is BLDC fan. The answer is BLDC fan uses brushless DC motor for rotating its blade. Unlike AC fan, which uses conventional AC induction motor for rotating its blade. Obviously, the next question comes to our mind is, what is BLDC motor? Before answering that question, we will see a brief overview about magnetic principle. As we know, a magnet has two poles. They are North Pole and South Pole. Basic principle here is opposite poles attract each other and same poles repulse each other. Motor runs based on this principle. Let's go back to the previous question. What is BLDC motor? As we know, it stands for brushless DC motor. Commutator and brush arrangement used in the conventional brushed DC motor are replaced by sensor and electronic switches in the brushless DC motor. Usually, brushless DC motor has permanent magnet rotor and electromagnet stator. By changing the current flow direction in the electromagnet coil, the polarity of the magnets can be changed between north and south pole. In the figure, you can see the current flow direction in the electromagnet is changed such that same poles of permanent magnet rotor and electromagnet stator always meet each other, which produce obviously the repulsive force. At the same time, adjacent electromagnet produce opposite pole to produce attractive force. Resultant magnetic force between permanent magnet and electromagnet develops torque in the rotor. Obviously, once the torque generated, that rotor starts to rotate. Next, we move on to BLDC fan construction. It has electromagnet stator. The current flow in the electromagnetic coil is controlled by microcontroller. Rotor is made up of ferrite magnet. Fan blades are attached to this rotor. Next is Hall PCB fixture. It has Hall sensor to sense the rotor position. Based on the rotor position only, microcontroller unit to control the excitation of electromagnet. To decide which coil it needs to excite, which pole it needs to excite. For that, it needs rotor information that is provided by Hall sensor, which is mounted on the rotor. The top and bottom case just act as an enclosure for this entire setup. Now we will see the BLDC fan block diagram. Obviously, it starts with 230 volt AC power input to BLDC fan. Switch mode power supply unit that converts that input AC power into DC power. So that is the purpose of switch mode power supply, SMPS. Then based on the rotor position, microcontroller operates the electronic switches in the inverter to control excitation in the stator electromagnet. Rotor position can be sensed using Hall sensor or a rotating encoder. Nowadays, reading back EMF in the stator coil act as a feedback to microcontroller, which eliminates sensor requirement to read rotor position. With this advantage in the back EMF reading, so the complete sensor unit can be eliminated by reading the back EMF in the stator coil. That exact position of the rotor can be determined. That's all about all the units available in the BLDC fan. Not yet finished on the block diagram. Here comes the surprise. BLDC fan electronic unit has an IR receiver. Yeah, it means you can control the fan speed using remote. Yes, most of the BLDC fan comes with remote control feature. Finally, here we come to most important topic of comparison between BLDC fan versus conventional AC fan. Let's start with power consumption. It's an important factor which differentiates BLDC fan with conventional AC fan. Most of the BLDC fan power rating lies between 28 to 30 watts max. For AC fan, power rating lies between 70 to 80 watts. But obviously the result, both fans can run at the same RPM range between 380 to 400 RPM and maintains almost same airflow capacity. Important advantage of BLDC is it can deliver consistent performance even during voltage fluctuation. But AC fan speed and airflow reduces during voltage drop. Here thumbs up for BLDC, thumbs down for AC fan. Second comparison goes with energy consumption. For understanding the energy consumption concept, we will go through a small calculation. Fan type, we will compare BLDC fan and conventional AC fan. We know BLDC fan consume power of 28 watts. For comparison, I considered AC fan is consuming a power of 70 watts. It can go up to max of 80. Assume your daily hours usage is 5 hours. For both fans, we keep it as 5 hours per day as a run time. Next, we go to the number of days used in a year. Just we consider for 365 for both fans. So the next thing is energy consumption per year in kilowatt hour. If your fan runs 5 hours per day and the number of days is 365, then the resultant energy consumption of BLDC fan is 51.1 kilowatt hour. On the opposite side, AC fan consumes 127.75 kilowatt hour per year. Assume your electricity charge per unit is 10 rupees. Obviously you have to pay 511 rupees for an BLDC fan, 1277.75 rupees for AC fan. Again, thumbs up for BLDC fan for consuming very less energy. That is only 35% of energy consumed when compared with AC fan. Finally, our most important comparison factor, how much money will be saved when using BLDC fan. In the example calculation, electricity cost for BLDC per year is 511 rupees, but for AC fan per year charge is 1277 rupees. From that you can understand you can save up to 60 to 70% of fan electricity charges per year while using BLDC fan for day-to-day application. Overall, the winner is BLDC fan. Obviously, BLDC fan price is 40 to 50% higher than conventional AC fan. That additional cost can be covered by electricity charge savings in 1 or 2 years. If you have planned to buy a fan, please go with BLDC fan. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, hit the like button and please share it with your friends. For more videos, hit subscribe button. If you need any clarification, please put your queries as a comment. We will reply for that. Thanks for watching my video.